the manner of your bearing. Pledge to excel through love and unity, pressing onward, march together to a common loftier goal. Steady sunward, though the weather hide the white and treasure show. Lift up your head to the rising sun. The lead unto your God. March on,
I pledge my allegiance to the flag and to the Commonwealth of the Bahamas, for which it stands, one people united in love and service.
It's important to remember our physical health affects our mental health and vice versa. What we do to our bodies makes a big difference to how we feel. Physical activity, diet, alcohol, smoking and drugs can all affect our mental health and well-being in different ways. So let's talk about them. Physical activity releases feel-good hormones called endorphins, which help us sleep and feel better. It also improves our physical fitness, which tends to make people feel better in general. Even small amounts of regular physical activity can improve your mental well-being, especially if it's doing something you enjoy. Physical activity is even a recommended treatment for some types of depression. You can get active at your own pace in your own way. There's no need to join a gym or even spend any money. Simple small changes in our day-to-day can make all the difference. Taking a brisk walk at lunchtime, or walking to get where we're going, getting active in the garden, or cycling once or twice a week are great options. If there's a type of activity you used to enjoy, think about how you could pick it up again. For example, there are lots of local groups and sports teams open to all levels of ability. What's more, studies show that time in green spaces is beneficial. So head to your local park if you can. If you need a little help fitting more physical activity into your day, try the Active 10 app. It helps you get short bursts of brisk walking into your day. There's also the fantastic Couch to 5K app, which will get you up and running in just 9 weeks. Eating better can play a big role in our health and well-being. It won't come as a surprise to learn that what we eat and how much plays a big part in our physical health, which can impact our mental health too. Ideally, we should aim to eat a healthy, balanced diet with plenty of fruit and veg. It's important to keep an eye on your calories and minimize foods that are high in sugar, fat, and salt. For helpful tips on eating a better diet, check out the One You website.
In this assembly, we'll be discussing healthy habits and showing you recipes to motivate you to stay active and practice these healthy habits.
Sit back and enjoy this week's assembly, brought to you by Grade 7 Josie Advisory.
Hi everyone. One of the ways to stay healthy is to eat healthy. This is my avocado tree and we'll be making some delicious treats from it.
Hi everybody, today I'm going to be making avocado toast. This is my special guest, Jonte.
Hi! Avocado toast!
The ingredients we'll be needing is bread,
A bowl!
an avocado, salt, a lemon or lime, crushed red pepper, and extra virgin olive oil. Okay, so first step is to cut your avocado in half and take the pit out. So we're just gonna take this pit right on out, and you can either grow this or just throw it away. So the next thing we're gonna do after we have cut our avocado in half, we're just gonna take out all of the meat from the inside and put it into a bowl. Okay, next we are going to squeeze some lime, just a bit, and we're going to crush it up with like a fork or whatever. After you've mashed it to your desired texture, you're going to move it to the side and toast your bread. And I'm just going to toast these until they're golden brown. After the bread is toasted, I'm just going to drizzle some olive oil on the top. I just put the olive oil inside the cap. Just spreaded my olive oil a bit, and now I'm just going to get our avocado and just spread that right on top. I just spreaded my avocado toast on both pieces of bread. Now I'm just going to sprinkle some salt on top on each one and some crushed red pepper. Not a lot, just a little bit. If you wish, you can add more seasonings for flavor. You're done. Let's taste test it. Let's taste test it. Too good.
At St. Andrews International School, we take pride in our education and physical well-being. Some of the teachers and students do physical activities in their spare time. Some do track and field, swimming, and a variety of other sports. For example, I do track and field after school to help me stay fit, though some people eat certain things to help them stay healthy.
What do you do
for physical activity?
What do you do after school to stay healthy?
Well, I play baseball with my friends.
Okay. What do you do after school to stay healthy?
I play sports such as soccer and boxing.
Hi, Miss Gibbs. What do you do to stay healthy after school?
Well, I usually go for walks or a swim, and I do lots of yoga.
That's good.
What do you do after school to stay healthy?
Well, I run after Bing Bong, my cat, as you know, and my dog, Teddy, and I go for long walks on the beach. And whenever it's warm enough, I go for a swim. So I like to do more swimming.
Yeah, that's perfect. What do you do after school to stay healthy?
I don't know. I exercise a bit and I eat healthy food and do karate.
Alright, that's perfect. Thank you.
And Jahan?
I competitive swim.
Nice.
After school to stay healthy.
We walk our dogs.
Nice.
What do you do after school to stay healthy?
I review my work when I go to school. I play Sims 4.
I eat healthy food.
What do you do after school to stay healthy?
Dance and exercise. Rashad, what do you do after school to stay healthy?
Play basketball.
What do you do after school to stay healthy?
We play soccer.
Sam
and Jack, what do you do after school to stay healthy? I play soccer.
Nice swim.
For physical activity, I sail.
Hi, my name is Rashad. I do swimming oftenly Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.
For my physical activity, I do sailing.
The sport I enjoy is soccer, and I like it because it keeps me in shape, helps me build up my stamina or my endurance, and is an overall pretty fun game. I like the idea of it.
Hi, Mr. Coyle. How can we stay healthy as a community?
As a community, we have three components that make you healthy. You have physical well-being, you have mental well-being or emotional well-being, and you have social well-being. So if we can try our best to check off at least two of those three boxes every day, whether it's performing some type of light exercise every day, engaging in activity that you find is enjoyable, whether that's reading, that helps with your emotional and mental well-being. And communicating and reaching out with your friends is an attempt to establish social well-being. So if you could attempt to check off two of those three boxes, in my opinion, you will have a high degree of well-being and stay healthy.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sweetheart.
I'm going to be showing you what you'll need for a banana cherry smoothie and how to make it. What you'll need to make this with is 1 banana, 1 cup of cherries, a half a cup of any milk, and a 1/4 cup of any yogurt. So you put all of this in the blender. And then the yogurt. And the banana. And then the cherries. Then you blend it. When it's done blending, you can pour it into whatever cup you're drinking it out of, and it's done.
I'm Jack. What do you do it? Hey Leo, what do you do to stay healthy after school?
Hey Crow, I do multiple physical activities such as boxing, soccer, and everyday basketball.
You sure you're online?
No, I'm very sure I'm not lying.
I think you are. I'm scared. What do you do to do?
What do you do after school to stay healthy?
Dance and exercise.
Okay. What do you do after school to stay healthy?
What do you do after school to stay healthy? I play Fortnite. Sam and Jack, what do you do after school to stay healthy? I play soccer.
Nice swim.